Hello students. Last time we have seen the granulocytes, means the types of WBCs. Consider the WBCs are of two types. Okay, white blood corpuscles, granulocytes and agranulocytes. Now granulocytes means the cells having the granules in their cytoplasm and having the lobed nucleus, means that lobed may be multi-lobed, twisted nucleus or bilobed nucleus. The granulocytes are of three types. The first one is neutrophil, second basophil, and third one is that is the acidophil. Acidophil is also called as eosinophil. Okay. The classification of these granulocytes depends upon the staining property. What type of stain is taking by the cell? If suppose neutral stain is taking neutrophil, basic stain is taking basophil, and acidic stain is taking, that is acidophil. Okay. These are the granulocytes. Last time we have seen the structure and description of this granulocyte. Agranulocytes. What are the characteristic feature of agranulocytes? Agranulocytes means the particular cells, they are of two types. The first one is that is lymphocyte, and second one is that is the monocyte, lymphocyte and monocyte. Okay, this is the lymphocyte and monocyte. We can see in this both the cells the nucleus is large. Here is the nucleus is large and spherical. Here is the nucleus is large and bean or kidney shaped. Okay, bean or kidney shaped. This is the lymphocyte and this one is the monocyte, lymphocyte and monocyte. Okay, these are called as agranulocytes. Agranulocytes means the granules are absent in their cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasm. Okay, no granules is present, means cytoplasm is clear cytoplasm, means the cell indicates the clear cytoplasm. Okay, and nucleus is non-lobulated, means lobed nucleus are absent. Okay, हे लोब्ड न्यूक्लियस नाही, कारण न्यूक्लियस कसं एक तर स्पेरिकल आहे किंवा किडनी शेप्ड आहे. लोब्ड न्यूक्लियस absent असते आणि सायटोप्लाझम कसं असतं, क्लिअर सायटोप्लाझम अँड नॉन लोब्युलेटेड न्यूक्लियस इज present in agranulocytes. Now see, in agranulocytes, these agranulocytes are of 28% of total WBCs. These are the 28%. Okay, and the granules are absent in cytoplasm. Granules are absent in the cytoplasm. That's why a clear cytoplasm is present. They are produced from. Now see the origin of these cells. They are produced from lymphoid stem cells. And they are divided by the mitosis. The cells are divided by the mitosis. Okay, means these cells are produced from the lymphoid stem cells and can be divided by the mitosis. In nuclei of agranulocytes, they are large in size. Nuclei. Here is the nucleus is large. Here is the nucleus is large. This nucleus is spherical. This nucleus is kidney shaped. Okay. The nuclei of agranulocytes are large in size and non-lobulated or not lobulated, means unlobed nucleus are present. Okay, there are two types. Agranulocytes are of two types. First one is the lymphocyte, second one is the monocyte. Now see the lymphocyte. These are the smallest cells of in all WBCs. सगळ्या WBCs मध्ये smallest जी आहे, smallest आहे lymphocyte, smallest WBC. Okay, the lymphocyte is called as smallest WBCs in all WBCs, and they have large and spherical nucleus. Now see, these lymphocytes constitutes near about 25 to 30% of total WBCs. 25 to 30% of total WBCs. WBCचं जेवढं काउंट आहे त्याच्यामध्ये 25 to 30% हे लिम्फोसाइट असतं. Okay, now these lymphocytes are of two types again, B lymphocytes, okay, and T lymphocytes. B lymphocytes means what? These B lymphocytes matures in bone marrow. B for bone marrow. And T lymphocytes, these cells matures in thymus gland. T for thymus, B for bone marrow. Okay. Now see, the B lymphocytes mature in bone marrow and responsible for the antibody production. Okay, means these cells are important for the production of antibodies, antibody production. Okay, that's why if the in the immunity in which antibodies are produced, that immunity is called as humoral immunity. That immunity is called as humoral immunity. Means humoral immunity is due to the antibody production, and these antibodies are produced by the B lymphocytes. B lymphocytes. B lymphocytes means lymphocyte cells which matures in bone marrow. Okay, then T lymphocytes mature in thymus gland, which is the endocrine gland found in chest. Okay, these T lymphocytes mature in thymus and are responsible for the cell mediated immunity. Cell mediated immunity means what? They produce different types of cells. Okay, they produce different types of cells. These are the different types of cells. T lymphocytes divides to form 4 types of cells. Means these cells, T lymphocytes, differentiates into different cells. Different cells means they divides into different cells: helper T cells, killer T cells, memory T cells, and suppressor T cells. Helper T cells, killer T cells, memory T cells, and that is the suppressor T cells. Okay, these cells have different functions. Means each cell is specific for its function. Okay, now all these cells forms the special type of immunity is called as cell mediated immunity. Cell mediated immunity, because these cells produce the immunity is called as cell mediated immunity. B lymphocyte produce antibodies, that's why it is called as humoral immunity. Okay, 2 types of immunity are present, that is humoral immunity, and second one is that is the cell mediated immunity. T lymphocyte produce cell mediated immunity and B lymphocyte produce humoral immunity. Okay, now second agranulocyte, that is monocyte. Monocyte is the largest WBC. Largest means सगळ्यात मोठी WBCs मध्ये सगळ्यात मोठी असणारी जी WBC जी आहे सगळ्यात मोठी, it is the largest WBC called as monocyte. The nucleus is large, we can see this large nucleus, and the shape of the nucleus is bean or kidney shaped. Kidney shaped nucleus is present. They forms, these monocytes are 3 to 5%. It constitutes 3 to 5% of total WBCs. Total WBCs च्या 3 to 5% है monocytes है, and these monocytes are actively motile. Motile means it have a moving nature. It can move from one place to another place and gives rise to macrophages. Okay, म्हणजेच काय, मोनोसाइट जे आहे त्या सेल्स डिवाइड होऊन छोट्या छोट्या सेल्स तयार करतात ज्याला म्हणायचं मॅक्रोफेजेस. आणि या मॅक्रोफेजेसचं जे नेचर आहे ते आहे फॅगोसिटिक नेचर. दे आर मेनली फॅगोसिटिक नेचर अँड डिस्ट्रॉय. फॅगोसिटिक म्हणजेच काय की अशी सेल जी काय करते दुसऱ्या फॉरेन सेलला किंवा एखादा पॅथोजन असेल किंवा फॉरेन इन्फेक्शन असेल त्याला गिळंकृत करते किंवा एनगल्फ करते. एनगल्फिंग कॅपॅसिटी ओके. तर एनगल्फिंग कॅपॅसिटी ज्या पर्टिक्युलर सेलमध्ये आहे तिला म्हणायचं फॅगोसिटिक सेल. दिस फॅगोसिटिक सेल डिस्ट्रॉय द bacteria or dead or damaged tissue, okay, by the process phagocytosis. ठीक है, means these monocytes are phagocytic because they divides to form, they differentiate into macrophages, and these macrophages destroy the bacteria or dead damaged tissue by the process that is phagocytosis. Now see this monocyte, it is the largest one, and nucleus is kidney shaped, and cytoplasm is that is the clear cytoplasm. Okay, now see the last type of cell is that is thrombocyte. Thrombocyte is the next. Now we will see the thrombocytes, that is the platelets. Thrombocytes are the cellular fragments. Now see thrombocytes. thrombocytes. They are also called as platelets. Thrombocytes are called as platelets. Okay, these thrombocytes, this is the third type. The first one is in blood cell. The first one is RBCs, erythrocytes. Second one is WBCs, that is the leukocyte. Okay, and third one is thrombocyte. Thrombocyte, or they are also called as platelets. These thrombocytes are the cellular fragments of large cells. These are the cellular fragment of large cells called as megakaryocytes. Megakaryocytes. Okay, these are the megakaryocytes. Cells are produced in red bone marrow. Megakaryocytes are produced in, कुठं प्रोड्यूस होतं? Produced in red bone marrow. They are produced in red bone marrow. These cells are very small oval shaped fragment. Cells are very small oval shaped fragments. Oval shaped fragments without nucleus. No nucleus is present. Without nucleus means nucleus is absent in these fragments. Okay, without nucleus. Now see, these thrombocytes are means thrombocyte count. We can say thrombocyte count. किती असतात ब्लड मध्ये त्या? Means count. They are 2.5 to 4.5 lakhs per cubic mm of blood. Per cubic mm of blood. म्हणजेच एका क्युबिक mm ऑफ ब्लडमध्ये जवळपास 2.5 लाख ते 4.5 लाख एवढ्या ह्या प्लेटलेट्स असतात. म्हणजेच हा नॉर्मल काउंट झाला. दिस इज दी नॉर्मल थ्रोम्बोसाइट काउंट. नॉर्मल थ्रोम्बोसाइट काउंट इज 2.5 to 4.5 lakhs per cubic mm of blood. Okay, next, these cells are, if suppose the formation of these cells means by the process formation of thrombocytes is called as thrombopoiesis. ओके, म्हणजेच काय की ज्या प्रोसेसने थ्रोम्बोसाइट्स तयार होतात त्या प्रोसेसला म्हणायचं थ्रोम्बोपोएसिस. इफ सपोज द डिक्रीज इन नंबर ऑफ thrombocytes म्हणजे समजा प्लेटलेट्स कमी जर झाल्या इज कॉल्ड ॲज thrombocytopenia. The condition is called as thrombocytopenia. And increase in number of thrombocytes is called as thrombocytosis. Now see, formation, that is thrombopoiesis. Decrease in number of thrombocytes, thrombocytopenia. Increase in number of thrombocytes is called as thrombocytosis. Now this thrombocytopenia produce the bleeding or the hemorrhage condition. म्हणजे काय की thrombocytes लेवल जर कमी जर झालं नॉर्मलपेक्षा, it results into hemorrhages, that is bleeding. It results into bleeding. बॉडीच्या ब्लिडिंग स्टार्ट होतं. ठीक आहे. जर जास्त प्रमाणामध्ये जर कंडिशन म्हणजे अशी कंडिशन ज्या कंडिशनमध्ये काय प्लेटलेट्सचा नंबर जर खूप जर कमी जर झाला तर कंडिशन कॉजेस इंटरनल ब्लिडिंग इज कॉल्ड ॲज हिमोरेज. ओके. Now these platelets or the thrombocytes, platelets produce certain factors or the chemicals, platelet factors, which are essential for blood clotting, factors which are essential for blood clotting. म्हणजे प्लेटलेट्स काही असे फॅक्टर्स प्लेटलेट्स काही असे फॅक्टर प्रोड्यूस करते, जे फॅक्टर्स दॅट इज प्लेटलेट फॅक्टर्स म्हणायचं त्याला, त्या फॅक्टर्स ते प्लेटलेट फॅक्टर्स ब्लड क्लॉटिंगमध्ये किंवा ब्लड कोॲग्युलेशनमध्ये काय करते, हेल्प करते किंवा मदत करते. दॅट इज दी प्लेटलेट फॅक्टर्स आर इम्पॉर्टंट इन द ब्लड कोॲग्युलेशन ऑर ब्लड क्लॉटिंग. नेक्स्ट, these platelets also seal the ruptured blood vessels. It seal the ruptured blood vessels. म्हणजे एखादी ब्लड वेसल्स ब्रेक झाली असेल, ठीक आहे, एखादी ब्लड वेसल जर ब्रेक झाली असेल तर तिला सील करणे किंवा बंद करण्याचं काम कोण करते, हे प्लेटलेट्स करते. काय करते, प्लेटलेट्स करते. बाय द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्लेटलेट प्लग, बाय द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्लेटलेट प्लग or it is called as thrombus. It is called as thrombus. And last one is the platelet secretes serotonin. Platelet secretes serotonin. That is the chemical serotonin, which helps in the constriction of blood vessels, which is the local constrictor, local vasoconstrictor, local vasoconstrictor. Okay. Now see, these thrombocytes are the small and oval shaped fragment. Oval shaped means like this, oval shaped fragment without nucleus. These are the platelets. Okay, oval shaped factors. Okay, and these platelets produce certain factors which are platelet factors which are responsible for the blood coagulation or blood clotting. The platelet factors also seal the ruptured blood vessels for the formation of blood clot, that is platelet plug. Okay. Last one is the platelet secretes a special chemical is called as serotonin, which acts as a which helps in the constriction of blood vessels, and this acts as a local vasoconstrictor. Vasoconstrictor म्हणजेच काय, ब्लड वेसलला कंस्ट्रिक्ट करणे, ब्लड वेसलला काय करणे, कंस्ट्रिक्ट करणे. समजा ब्लड वेसलचं लुमेन जास्त असेल, सपोज दिस इज दी ब्लड वेसल ल्युमेन. आता याचं कन्स्ट्रिक्शन जर होणे म्हणजेच काय, आतला जो डायमीटर जो आहे तो कमी होणे, असं याला म्हणायचं व्हॅझो कन्स्ट्रिक्शन. याला काय म्हणायचं, व्हॅझो कन्स्ट्रिक्शन. व्हॅझो डायलेशन म्हणजे काय, की अशी ब्लड वेसल ज्याचं काय म्हणजेच काय, ब्लड वेसलचा आतला जो म्हणजेच ही जी ब्लड वेसल आहे, ठीक आहे, तर तिचा आतला जो डायमीटर आहे तो वाढणे. डायमीटर वाढणे म्हणजे व्हॅझो डायलेशन, डायमीटर कमी होणे म्हणजेच व्हॅझो कन्स्ट्रिक्शन. The serotonin is responsible for the vasoconstriction of the blood vessels. Okay, this is regarding the thrombocytes, or it is called as platelets. Okay, thank you.